Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to fit the mud flaps on a Tesla Model 3, because all the stones that fling up into the bottom of the wheel arch and that decides to chip all the paint away. So basically, to stop that happening, I'm just going to fit them on to protect the bodywork, not really for the style or the look of it, but yeah, we're going to quickly fit them on now, show you how to do it. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel as well for more videos on cars and stuff. And also check out my other YouTube account, which is Stefan's Vlog 1, which basically I'm going to be doing all the places I go to and, sharing all my foods and all the places and that. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to that one because I'm going to start doing videos. I'm going Brighton soon. So yeah, I'm going to start vlogging all that and stuff. So yeah, enjoy the video. So I will quickly just show you them now. Just gone for the normal black plastic ones. I think inside somewhere. Yeah, there, luckily enough. Don't know if you can just see in there, it's got FL for obviously front left. So yeah, meaning you can't get them in the wrong place anyway. So yeah, then there's also fixtures for them all in a bag. So yeah, should be quite an easy install, to be fair. Yeah, let's quickly show you. Obviously they just go in there and then a screw will then go in that as well. So yeah, let's quickly get it done. Less talking, more action, as they say. So yeah, let's go straight to it. So I've decided to change the colour on my car on there. Obviously it's still black on the outside. But first you want to start it up and just turn the wheel, just so it's easier to access. So yeah, as you can see there's two little fixing points there which just need to come off with a little screwdriver. But first of all, I think the surrounding area just needs a quick clean really, because there's no point putting them on there when it's all dirty. So a bit of the Demon Shine and then just rub around the surface, just giving it a good clean. So yeah, what you want to do is just get your screwdriver in and pry them out really, without trying to break them, which, give me a minute and I think I might actually do that. So yeah, just give them, they can be quite tight, so maybe need a bit of a wiggling around. But like I say, if they do break, well, you've got the new ones anyway, so you don't actually need these. But yeah, they are a little bit stiff. So yeah, as you can see, I have pretty much damaged the whole of that. But yeah, it does finally want to come out. And then hopefully out comes the second one as well. Which luckily enough, I haven't managed to break that one. So as you can just see in here, it's like a little slat thing there, which that, with a little groove on it, goes behind the wing in the corner there. So that's the first thing you want to do, is just get that behind it. And just line up the holes then once you've finally got that in there. First of all, you just want to get these little plastic things and put them straight in the hole first. Make sure obviously the holes are lined up. And you want to get your screw then and then try and get that in, which does seem to be a little bit fiddly really. So yeah, I did think that they might have screwed in, but obviously realising there's no threads on that other plastic thing. So I think trying to knock them in will probably be the best way to get them in really. Still try and see if I can turn it and push it in. But yeah, it just doesn't seem to be working. So I'm just going to use the other end and just knock them in. And then there you go. In it goes, easy. And then trying to get to the second one, but then it's not quite as easy because the wheel's now in the way. So I think the best thing to do really is turn the wheel the other way. And it'll just be a lot easier to get in. So I've turned the wheel the other way now. And yeah, the access to it is a lot easier. So I'm just going to get the old persuader and just knock it in. And easy as that. So yeah, that's the first one fitted. Looks quite good to be fair, not too bad of a job. But yeah, it's a really easy job to do. So let's move on to the rears now. So as you can see, there's only one there that needs to come out. So yeah, you're just basically repeating what you've just done on the fronts really. Just get that one out the same way, which as you can see I've done there. Then I realised that there's also a little bolt that's underneath. Just about to see that, so get your 10mm socket and take that out, which then that just goes into that hole there. So yeah, I've quickly fitted that. Thought there's no point showing you everything. Like I say, that goes in there like that. You just have to tighten it up again. So yeah, that is one side completed. I think to be fair, it does look pretty good. I think maybe shine them up a little bit. Get some nice little gel shine or whatever it is that they use, just to give them that glossier look. Yeah, looking really well to be fair. Quite impressed with how it's come out. Let's see from the back end. Right then guys, so that's the job done. Like I say, it wasn't too hard of a job like. Just all it was the hardest bit was probably getting the new fixings in, especially on the rear, because obviously you can't move the wheels. So yeah, just trying to knock them in like, but I finally got there. A little bit of persuasion with the old persuader. Yeah, and obviously on the rear ones, you've got them bolts underneath. So just take them off and then screw them straight back in, obviously once the mud flap's on like. So yeah, easy little mod. Like I say, it saves your paintwork getting all damaged and that with all the stones flickering up. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. So yeah, peace out guys.